Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPO Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team is called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. We're going to do one last Syncpier story. And this is Cynthia, a day with Cynthia. Guys, sorry for the wait. Here we go. 2 runs. First run, first option. Second run, second option. Sure did.
Right.
You're staying at a hotel? Know the feeling. Oh gosh, you should see my room.
Thank you. Hi. Truly amazing.
You aren't very good at picking up after your stuff, huh? We're the same.
Right.
Pretty impressed.
Thank you. Pardon.
Show me who you truly are.
Such fun.
And that was the first option, guys. Time for the second one in 3, 2, 1. Second option. Here we go. Nope.
Right.
Oh, very different reaction. What sort of documents? You can do it.
Oh, I see. Hi. Truly amazing.
Sound kind of messy.
Right.
I thought I could do better than that.
Sure. Pardon. This will be such fun.
And guys, we are done. We are done with every Syncpier story we have right now, guys. That excludes Leaf because we don't have Leaf yet, and Signasuit Elesa. Once we have them, we're done. We're done with everything. And with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you very soon.